Join me as I take on the challenge of making my garden weed-free forever using just 5 easy steps. In this video, you'll learn how to make your garden weed-free forever with 5 simple steps that anyone can follow. Weeds not only ruin the aesthetics of your garden but also compete with your plants for nutrients and water, making it essential to tackle them effectively. Imagine walking through your garden surrounded by vibrant flowers, lush greenery, and not a single weed in sight. It's a beautiful thought, but for many of us it's more like a frustrating reality. Weeds seem to pop up overnight, and before you know it, they're taking over your entire garden. We've all been there, spending hours pulling and digging only to have them grow back again. It's a never-ending battle, but it doesn't have to be. Weeds are also sneaky pests, spreading their seeds far and wide, making it even harder to get rid of them once they've taken hold. And let's not forget about the time and money we waste on weed killers, which often do more harm than good to our soil and the environment. It's a vicious cycle, but there is a way to break free from it. So what's the secret to a weed-free garden? Is it some magic potion or expensive equipment? No, it's simply a combination of smart strategies and consistent effort. By following the 5 steps I'll share with you today, you can say goodbye to weeds for good and hello to a beautiful, thriving garden. We'll explore each of the 5 steps in detail, including prevention methods, natural solutions, and maintenance tips to keep your garden pristine. From using mulch to suppress weeds to creating a weed-free zone around your plants, we'll cover it all. You'll be amazed at how simple and effective these techniques are, and how they can make a huge difference in your garden. One of the most important things to remember is that weeds thrive in disturbed soil, so it's essential to minimize tilling and digging. Instead, we'll use techniques like solarization to kill weeds and their seeds, making it difficult for them to grow back. We'll also talk about the importance of timing and how to catch weeds when they are most vulnerable. By the time we're done, you'll have a clear plan of action to make your garden weed-free, and you'll be confident in your ability to maintain it. So, let's dive in and get started on this journey to a weed-free garden. The key moment will reveal one surprising technique that many gardeners overlook, which can drastically reduce weed growth. This technique is so simple, yet so effective, and it's something that I wish I knew years ago. It's not some fancy gadget or expensive tool, but rather a shift in mindset that will change the way you approach weeding forever. By using this technique, you'll be able to reduce weed growth by up to 90%. And it's not just about getting rid of weeds, it's about creating a healthy ecosystem in your garden. You'll be amazed at how this one simple change can make a huge difference in the overall health and appearance of your garden. So what is this magic technique? It's simply the art of observation. By paying attention to your garden, observing where weeds are most likely to grow, and taking action before they take hold, you can prevent weeds from ever becoming a problem in the first place. It's a mindset shift that will change the way you approach weeding, and it's one that will save you time, effort, and frustration in the long run. This technique, combined with the other 4 steps, will give you a robust strategy for keeping your garden weed-free. And the best part is, it's not just about getting rid of weeds, it's about creating a beautiful, thriving garden that you'll love spending time in. To wrap up, we'll summarize the 5 steps and reinforce how easy it is to implement them in your garden for lasting results. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to enjoy a weed-free garden all season long, without breaking the bank or sacrificing your sanity. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other gardening tips and leave your thoughts in the comments below.